Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I'd mix it up again, do something a little bit different. So we are going to chat about the current hair products that I've been using that's kind of helped me battle this winter weather. So if you are interested in seeing some of my favorite products, then please keep watching. And again, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. I really appreciate it. All right, let's get into the video. All right, so to begin, I'm going to share with you guys the current shampoo and conditioner that I use. I have been using this actually for quite some time. I want to say about a year since it came out, and I just can't seem to find anything else that really just tames my hair, makes it smooth, really silky. This is the Ouai hair care, and I currently am using the smooth solution, and it is at a reasonable price. It's not too bad. I believe it's about 20 something a bottle, and it does last me quite some time. So if you are into trying some new shampoo and conditioner, then you guys should check this one out. To kind of stick with that same brand, because I do have some other products from that hairline, I also use the dry shampoo foam. This stuff is awesome if you are kind of on the go or maybe possibly traveling for those days that like you don't want to wash your hair basically. So what you do is you take some of this foam and you put some in your hand and you basically just scrunch it through the roots of your hair. And what it does is just leaves it feeling a little bit texturized, smells really good, and just kind of leaves the hair feeling a little bit clean. It says on the back, hit restart for real with this unique foaming dry shampoo. It works without water to thoroughly cleanse and refresh hair while adding instant volume and just showered shine. And I can't tell you guys enough, this stuff as well smells the same, but it's super, super good. But this foam is just awesome for when like your roots are a little bit oily and you just need a quick pick-me-up. This stuff's really good. Also from that line, I like to use this Texturizing hairspray as well. This stuff is almost gone because I've used so much of it. It is kind of like a dry shampoo and a hairspray. So on the back it says, like dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby. This ultra lightweight hairspray that builds incredible volume and texture, packed with volume minerals to absorb oil and refresh hair. This stuff is awesome because it kind of leaves the hair with a little bit of hold and kind of a dry shampoo effect, but it leaves the hair like touchable and soft. So like one of my biggest pet peeves is like if I use some sort of a hairspray, I like it to be not too sticky or not too strong. I like to be able to still run my fingers through my hair and use, you know, because I'm just one of those girls that likes to touch your hair constantly. So this is going to be one of those products that if you just want a nice dry shampoo, hairspray, hold type vibe, then this is going to be good for you guys. It'll kind of go along with keeping the hair nice and clean and moisturized. In the winter, my hair gets a little bit dry and a little bit crazy, and I do battle like dry scalp too. So I have yet to find something that like I love for that issue. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know because I'm kind of on the hunt. I got this leave-in conditioning spray actually from, I believe it was an Ipsy bag, and it's the Briogeo Rosarco milk. This stuff smells so good. It is a reparative leave-in conditioning spray. It has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. And I just love this stuff because it's ultra lightweight, and I just spray it in my hair when I get out of the shower when it's feeling like a little dry, and it just adds that nice root to tip conditioning that just makes my hair feel amazing. And it almost has this like milkshake vibe to it, smell, with like a hint of floral. It's awesome. I've actually heard that the other products by this line are super good too. So I'm curious to try those out as well, because if they're anything like this, then they're probably really good. So I'm gonna be looking into that. When I get out of the shower and I've conditioned my hair and I need a little extra smoothing vibe, I do basically like a dime size amount of this product. And I got this from my hairdresser. You know who you are, girl. And she recommended this for me just because she used it on my hair one day and my hair was so smooth and like it smelled amazing. I was like, what is that? I need that in my life. So she recommended this for me. It's the Brazilian Blowout Acai Daily Smoothing Serum. And she actually mixed this with a little bit of like hair oil, which was kind of cool. So she mixed the two, ran it through my hair. So this is a unique leave-in styling protectant that smooths, conditions, and detangles while protecting the hair from thermal styling and environmental damage, which is super good to have in your hair routine. If you blow dry your hair a lot or you curl it, use any sort of, heat on the hair, that can always cause a lot of damage. In the summer, that sunshine can kind of dry the hair out as well. So it's always good to, have something in your routine that keeps the hair healthy. And this is going to be one of those products that I think you guys would enjoy. This is a full spectrum UVA, UVB protection as well. Locking in moisture and locking out humidity. Girl, we don't need this hair hitting some humidity. It goes a little bit crazy. With that smoothing serum, I do mix it with the Moroccan treatment oil. I'm sure some of you guys have heard of this. It's super popular. It just makes the strands of the hair so silky soft, and it just smells like a spa. It's just heavenly. I wish I could just like rub this all over my body, But I will use a little bit of this when I just need that little shine to the hair, add a little bit of softness, a good smell as well. That's just my go-to hair oil at the moment. When I need a little bit of volume and I want to add some texture to the hair, I use this Living Proof Full Volume Blast Spray. This stuff is awesome if you want to add a little bit of texture to the roots, some lift, because God knows my hair is heavy, it is thick, and I need a little bit of volume in my life. So I just love the Living Proof brand. It has really good products. I love that they sell these at Ulta in the travel size too. So if I want to travel with these, I can fit it in my bag super easily. And you can also just try it out before you purchase like a larger bottle and spend all the money. Finish off, the last thing on my list is the Tresemme dry shampoo. If you're looking for an affordable dry shampoo, this I think is like $5 at the most. It is amazing, you guys. If you're looking to spend a minimal amount, stop. If you're looking to not spend too much money and you need a good dry shampoo, this is the best. It was Allure's Best of Beauty like years ago, and that's when I originally purchased it, and I just love it personally. It's one of my favorite dry shampoos. He loves it too. If you guys are looking for one, this is a great one as well. Alright, you guys, that's it for my current hair product favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I love you guys a lot. Please don't forget to comment below if you guys have any hair product favorites. I would love to hear about some of those. I am a little bit hair challenged, I would say, so I like to kind of get tips where I can. So thanks you guys again. I love you so much. I will see you guys in the next video.